Okay, so this is the final video for our final project in EE206A, Introduction to Robotics. Right here we have the setup for our project. It is 4 zoomies, each with their own AR tag on top of it. And additionally, we have 3 other AR tags that are placed in constant positions on the ground, as you can see. So we use these 7 AR tags in order to localize the zoomies and know their current state at all times. And this is all done with the use of an overhead camera, as you can see here. So the first thing we're going to show is that we can command the zoomies to go to 5 different configurations based on a user input. After that, we will show that we can move the zoomies while in configuration. And then finally, we will show our implementation of A-star path planning when obstacles are in the way of the zoomies. So the first configuration we are going to instruct the zoomies to move into is a square. The next configuration we're going to instruct the zoomies to go to is a triangle. The next command will be a diamond. The next command will be a vertical line. And the fifth and final command will be a horizontal line. Now that we've shown that we can instruct the zoomies to move into different formations, we are now going to demonstrate that we can also command the zoomies to move in unison while holding these formations. The zoomies will be able to move forwards, backwards, left, and right. So we're going to start off in the horizontal line formation and instruct them to move. At any point, we can also command the zoomies to go back into a new formation. So now we're going to command the zoomies to go into a triangle configuration. And now we'll furthermore instruct the zoomies to move again in unison. The final formation that we'll command is the square. And again, we'll instruct the zoomies to move while holding this square formation. Now we are going to show our implementation of A-star path planning with our zoomie robots. We're going to do this by placing an obstacle, which is the bottle you can see in the coordinate system. This bottle will act as an obstacle for the zoomies, and when the zoomies are instructed to move to a specific formation, some zoomies will need to replan their paths around the bottle in order to prevent hitting it. So now we're going to command the zoomies to go into a vertical line, and at least one of the zoomies will need to replan its path. Okay, an A-star was successfully implemented. Now we're going to show another example of our A-star path planning, except this time we've moved the obstacle to the center of the coordinate system, and instead of commanding the zoomies to form a vertical line, we are now going to command them to form a square configuration.